So I'm back with another video. I know I just did a video, but my computer just got fixed today, so I'm able to talk now. And I did delete all my other videos. I wanted to start fresh. I made a new cover banner, and I want to try to go somewhere with this channel. And so yeah. What I want to do today is I would like to level up on this account, and there's a lot of things that I haven't done. So I'm going to go and boost, and I'm going to just try to level myself. So yeah. Let's get started. I don't have like that whole boost stuff either, so I mean let's go on boost, and let's go on a shopping spree. Alright, so we all good. Oh wow. Now let's go see what I'm gonna go on my account and give this one the account grades and stuff. So let's go and try to level up my account. I think I'm gonna try to get up to level 17 or 18, or like half. I want to try to get to 18. So I'm going to try to get to level 18, or if I do end up stopping at 17, then I'm going to try to like go with level 18. This is my main account, and I'm running out of diamonds, so I really hope I want to get your VIP on this, so soon. And I think I'm going to do a video on I don't know, I think I'm going to do rare trade. And I also made a Canada account that I showed already. So I'm not going to do these, so let's go. Why is it showing up that I'm on the account? Great, I'm lagging. The lag is real. I'm going to record when I stop lagging. Alright, we're back. Now, okay, now I'm finally back. I had to go to a different desktop because I had two major things that were open already. So yep. So now I'm right here, and see there was more people than this, but it's not the part that I just got my computer on, but it was just so many people, and that's not my computer's fault. So can I just slow down a little bit? Now I don't have that many diamonds, as I said. So. Now 36. And now because I said I didn't have as many, I'm gonna go and see what my backup has. Because oops, I didn't even click on it. So I'm probably gonna stop and here and there, and then just keep clips in it. So yes. So I'll probably just snip things out so it's faster. My computer just makes probably noise because my hands are stuck and I'm not able to type fast, so we want to be able to type fast. 33 on this too. Okay, I think one grade will be good. So I'll be back. I just turned level 16 and all I did was log back on. It must have been that great, so yes. So I'm gonna take these. I don't know if I have these or not, but I'm just gonna take these. Yes. Clean those. Okay. Now I don't have a lot of clothes, which is why I went on the clothes team. And I just hope I can just go and not that shopping, see I don't have a lot. So we're gonna see what I need to buy. I need maybe more hair, I need more clothes. How about animations? I don't have enough animations. Alright, we're gonna have to see on this. We don't have as many star coins anyway, so we'll see. So let's get started. Yeah. I was giving away this account, but now, well, no one even messaged me about it, so, well, okay. Now, I'm gonna be right back when I am starting to, like, buy things and stuff, and find stuff that I want. So I bought one look so far, and, yes. So I got one look so far, and let me see, I don't have anything on my wish list. We're gonna go and see. Does my other account have anything on my wish list? I just wanna see. See, why don't I add anything on my wish list? Weird. Okay. So I think I might go and try to buy something. I would go buy drip, but you know, I don't have enough. No. What am I doing? I make looks, so all the looks I calculate. So I have outfit 1. This is the first I've made, and I got this hair because I wanted this hair for a while. This was the one I just made that I just bought. Now I had some pieces already that was in it, so I don't know if I bought that one though. After buying, I want this. So that was like the original outfit. And it's not gonna. Oh, yeah, there. And then I know I bought that. I know I bought that. I don't know. I don't think about that, but I don't really want them. Oh, she was that freaking rare. That was like so cute. Oh, I bought the. This is of my friend. See, I'm gonna go make some looks of more people so I can find something. So yeah, so I'll be right back. I'm gonna see if this if I can buy this stuff. Everything's good but the shirt, so we're gonna buy all, but I have to X that one thing out of the way. Besides the shirt. Yeah, like that shirt looks fine with it, so we're gonna go and make a second look. I don't even know if I get to level 16 or not. My dog's barking. I'll be right back. Okay. This is my third outfit. Sorry, now I'm eating caramel M&Ms. is my third outfit I bought. And I think I'm gonna buy one more. I haven't even made a gem. These are all much I need the same. I just finished my one, so what I've been doing is going on. Going to the profile and looking at the outfits that my name. Well, technically I did, but that I went and got. So let's close this. So I'm just buying outfits that she made of other people, and if I want them for discount, then I get them for discount. Like some, there's what the one up top, and dang, I made a lot of stuff for boys. I just have my boy account. Go and buy it. Whoa, I like this. Please let me be able to buy this stuff. Please let me be able to buy. Please don't make me have to VIP. And all of it's like VIP. I know about this. I don't care about that, but I need the hair, the bottoms, and the boots, and okay, when I find another outfit, I'll be back. Alright, so I think this is really cute, this outfit. Oh my god, get over here, Riley. Oh, she has my dad's sock in her nose. In her other bag. So this is something we can buy, because the only thing with VIP is the ears and vest that no one will even see. But so we're gonna take off that. Wait, unless that's VIP. Oh, I don't really like it, so we're gonna just X out those animal ears. And then see the other thing that's VIP, I can't even see where it is, so the bracelets, which. So we're gonna go and buy this, so yeah, I'll be right back. Actually, not right back, I'm just gonna buy it on here. So I'm down to 1,000 now, and I'm gonna stop buying things because that's a low number. Only to have 1,000, there's other people out there that have way more than 1,000. But I'm gonna go and buy some animations, because this is how I started out younger in my old account. So, yeah. So we bought 4 outfits today, which I think is a pretty good deal. So yeah, I'm pretty happy about how much clothes I bought. All that. And I just left it out there. Outfit 4. Okay. Now let's go to animations. I want to buy some new animations. I'm gonna go and see. Oh, but we're probably gonna buy a lot of animations. Yeah. Wait, what's this? Oh no. I like that for $5.